Who are the heroes of recycling?
The next hero is now a factory-level recycler, converting thousands of tons of collected waste into high-quality recycled plastics.
We not come from the wealthy family. We start our business really from the scratch. We've been through a tough time and we want to collect as much plastic as we can. We are employing above 1,500 people with the 18 aggregation center, and it's located from Java, Kalimantan, and Sumatra. Finding a job is a difficult thing, and as long as we grow the business, we can also create more jobs, especially for them who's living in the village, the remote area. And what we need to do is to prevent all this plastic to be dumping into the sea.
We can do better. See our research and content for actions you can take right now to prevent ocean plastic.